Hey, if you want to download the Rosemary font on your Galaxy M34 5G, first of all you have to go to the settings. From here scroll down and go to the display. Now scroll down and go for the font size and the style. And now go to the font style. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and also log in with your Google account or Samsung account. Go to the download fonts, go to the top 3 and select the Rosemary. So click right here. As you can see here, I have to sign in with my Google account. Now just wait for the loading screen. I have to confirm the login. So I'm gonna receive the message on my second phone. There we go. Now I can tap to verify. And after a few seconds, the download is on the way. Now I can click on it when the download is finished, click to apply. And as you can see, the font has changed. Of course, you can also find it back when you go to the font styles. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.